Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are done with the complete implementation and it's time to perform testing of our CLI application. The primary goal is to verify the functionality of the application. As we are learning pair programming, so I will teach you how to use GitHub Copilot to write the unit test cases. So let's jump into Visual Studio Code and learn how to use GitHub Copilot to write the unit test cases in Python. So guys, we are into the Visual Studio Code. In this session we are going to do unit testing. Performing unit testing using GitHub Copilot is a two-fold process. At first step we have to set up the unit test, and at the second step we have to do the testing. So how to do that, let's look into the steps in action. First I will open one of the file like add.py, and then I will go to GitHub Copilot and type /setup tests, and you will get it workspace setup test. Press enter and it will ask PyTest or Unitest. Select the unit test and then it gives you these three steps to perform to set up unit test. So in the first step select apply changes, then you will notice that it created a folder called tests and also added one file called tests_todo.py. Let's look into the test_todo.py file. And you will notice that it has given us some boilerplate code to perform unit test for our each functionality which we have built in our earlier sessions using GitHub Copilot. Now let's execute the second step, that is install Unitest module. In my case it is throwing error as I already installed. Try to install with force parameter. If you are getting error again, then please check whether your virtual environment is active or not. If not, activate your virtual environment and run the pip install unit test again. Now let's proceed to the step 3 and run the unit test case. Then you will find that it is telling ran test cases and everything is okay. As we know, this is just a boilerplate code. Hence actual test cases are missing. So let's write the actual test cases using GitHub Copilot. So how to do it? Let's look into it. So to do that, type /tests and press enter. And you will notice that GitHub Copilot suggesting these codes to get incorporated. Let's click on apply change button and then you will notice the suggested changes gets incorporated. Here we got two main functions, let's delete one of them. Now rerun the test cases again and see the result. And it ran 3 test cases, one for add, one for list, and one for remove. Hence it is giving 3 ran test cases and all are okay. But I am not happy with the output. So I will ask GitHub Copilot that I want output should be printed on console with pass and fail. And it has done the changes into the test cases and given us the updated code. So let's update the code and rerun it. And you will notice that this time it is given some verbose details what it has added, listed, and removed. Using the unit test cases. All these details you can verify in the given code. So guys, I am done with this session and this is what I wanted to show you in this session. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.